Prime Minister Narendra Modi was on board India's biggest ship, the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya, today in what was his first defence outing. Mr. Modi said it was a moment of pride for him as he dedicated India's biggest warship to the Navy. Speaking on board the warship, the Prime Minister gave out a strong message that India will not be intimidated by anyone, nor will it threaten anyone.
भारत किसी को भी आंख दिखाने के पक्ष में नहीं है और न ही भारत अब आंख झुका करके जीने के लिए तैयार है। हम दुनिया की कितनी ही ताकत क्यों न हो, भारत आंख मिलाकर के आगे बढ़ने का पक्षकार है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi sending out a strong message from on board the ultra-modern aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya as he dedicated it to the Navy. For the 1,500 sailors and over 110 officers on INS Vikramaditya, it was a day to remember. Mr. Modi chose India's biggest and most potent ship for his first defence outing on Saturday and spent over 4 hours on board watching a massive display of naval combat power against a backdrop of rain and rough sea.
यह अत्यंत गर्व और खुशी का अवसर है कि आज भारत की नौसेना में विक्रमादित्य का जुड़ना, उस ऐतिहासिक पल पर आप सबके बीच आकर के उसके सामर्थ्य को समझना।
Modi also used the occasion to spell out one of the aims of his government.
भारत जैसा देश आजादी के इतने वर्षों के बाद सुरक्षा के लिए विदेशों से इन संसाधनों का इंपोर्ट करें, उससे हमें बहुत जल्द बाहर होना है। भारत सेल्फ सफिशिएंट बने, डिफेंस ऑफसेट के निर्माण के क्षेत्र में भारत आगे बढ़े।
12 frontline ships, including latest frigates and destroyers, participated in the steam past. The skipper of the ship says it brings big combat capability to the Indian Navy.
It is absolutely going to be a game changer. It will tremendously improve the combat capability and the reach of the Indian Navy in ensuring the national security and defense of our nation's interests.
The MiG-29K aircraft, integral to the aircraft carrier, did a flight demo, although a touchdown and takeoff from the Vikramaditya flight deck could not be demonstrated due to bad weather.
But before the shower came, we did see the capabilities of a couple of Indian naval ships, INS Tarkash and INS Tegh, which fired rockets, anti-submarine rockets, into the sea. The very fact that it managed to come to INS Vikramaditya in rough weather in the monsoon season has boosted the morale of the Indian Navy going through some of the rough patch in the recent months. On board INS Vikramaditya with Praveen, Nitin Gokhale for NDTV.